Creating a Google account is the first step in establishing your presence on YouTube, and it's essential to choose the right account type, especially if you plan to use it for business purposes. When prompted to select an account type, opt for the business option. This choice allows you to access features tailored for brands, such as analytics tools, and the ability to manage multiple users under one account. Once you've selected the appropriate account type, you'll need to provide some essential information for account creation. This includes your name, a valid email address, and a strong password. If you don't already have a Gmail address, you can create one during this process, which is crucial since a Gmail account is necessary for accessing YouTube and its features. It's important to choose a password that is both secure and memorable, as this will protect your account from unauthorized access. Additionally, you may be asked to provide a phone number for account verification and recovery purposes, which adds an extra layer of security. Securing a Gmail account is vital for your YouTube channel, as it serves as the gateway to all Google services. A secure account helps protect your content and personal information, ensuring that you can manage your channel without fear of hacking or data loss. Once your Google account is set up, you can easily link it to your YouTube channel, allowing you to upload videos, engage with your audience, and utilize various tools to enhance your channel's performance. Remember, taking the time to create a secure and properly configured Google account will set a solid foundation for your YouTube journey, enabling you to focus on creating great content and growing your audience effectively. Creating a new YouTube channel under your Google account is a straightforward process that allows you to share your content with the world. To begin, log into your Google account and navigate to YouTube. Once there, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Your Channel. You'll see an option to create a new channel. Here, you'll be prompted to name your channel. It's essential to choose a name that reflects your content and resonates with your target audience. Before finalizing your choice, take a moment to check for existing names to ensure that your desired channel name isn't already in use. This can help you avoid confusion and establish a unique brand identity. If you're struggling to come up with a catchy name, consider using tools like ChatGPT to generate creative channel name ideas. Simply input keywords related to your content, and ChatGPT can provide you with a variety of suggestions that might inspire the perfect name. Once you've settled on a name, it's crucial to prioritize account security. Using a password manager can significantly enhance your account's safety by generating strong, unique passwords and securely storing them for you. This way, you won't have to worry about forgetting your password or using weak ones that could compromise your account. After naming your channel and ensuring your account is secure, you can proceed to customize your channel further by adding a profile picture, banner, and description that reflect your brand. This personalization helps attract viewers and gives them a sense of what your channel is about. With your new YouTube channel set up and secured, you're ready to start creating and sharing your content with the world, paving the way for your journey as a content creator. Personalizing your YouTube channel with images and branding is a crucial step in establishing your identity as a content creator. To begin, you'll want to upload a profile picture and a banner image that represent your channel's theme and personality. Start by navigating to your channel page and clicking on the Customize Channel button. Here you'll find options to upload your profile picture, which is typically a square image that appears next to your videos and comments. Choose a clear, high-quality image that reflects your brand. This could be a logo or a professional photo of yourself. Next, focus on your banner image, which is the large graphic displayed at the top of your channel. This image should be visually appealing and convey the essence of your content. You can use tools like Snappa to create professional graphics easily. Snappa offers a variety of templates and design elements that can help you craft a stunning banner that captures your audience's attention. Visual branding is essential for attracting viewers and making a lasting impression. A well-designed profile picture and banner not only enhance your channel's aesthetic, but also communicate your brand's message and values. Consistent visual branding across your channel helps viewers recognize your content quickly, fostering a sense of familiarity and trust. This is particularly important in a crowded platform like YouTube, where first impressions matter. By investing time in creating cohesive visuals, you can differentiate yourself from other creators and build a loyal audience. Remember, your channel is an extension of your brand, so take the time to ensure that your images align with the content you produce. Once you've uploaded your profile picture and banner, Review how they look on different devices to ensure they appear professional and engaging. With these personalized elements in place, your YouTube channel will be well equipped to attract and retain viewers. Verifying your YouTube account is a crucial step that unlocks additional features, enhancing your channel's functionality and potential for growth. To begin the verification process, log into your YouTube account and navigate to the YouTube Studio. From there, click on Settings in the left sidebar, then select Channel and choose Feature Eligibility. Here, you'll find the option to verify your account. The verification process typically involves confirming your phone number, which can be done via a text message or a voice call. This step is essential as it allows you to access features like custom thumbnails, live streaming, and the ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Verification is particularly important if you plan to monetize your content or include external links in your videos. Without a verified account, you may miss out on monetization opportunities through the YouTube Partner Program, which requires you to meet specific eligibility criteria, including having a verified account. Additionally, verification allows you to add links to your website or social media profiles, helping you drive traffic and engage with your audience outside of YouTube. To expedite the verification process, ensure that you have a valid phone number ready for confirmation. You can choose to receive a verification code via SMS or a voice call, depending on your preference. Once you receive the code, simply enter it into the designated field on the verification page. After completing this step, your account will be verified, granting you access to the additional features that can significantly enhance your channel's appeal and functionality. Remember, verification not only boosts your credibility as a creator, but also opens doors to monetization and greater audience engagement, making it a vital step in your YouTube journey. Enhancing your YouTube channel's visibility and performance involves fine-tuning various settings that can significantly impact how your content is discovered and engaged with. One of the first steps is to select your country of residence in the channel settings. This setting helps YouTube tailor your content recommendations and ads to your specific audience, improving your chances of reaching viewers who are more likely to engage with your videos. Additionally, adding relevant keywords in your channel settings is crucial for optimizing your channel's discoverability. These keywords should reflect the themes and topics of your content, making it easier for potential viewers to find your channel through search. To further enhance your keyword optimization, consider using tools like vidIQ. This powerful tool provides insights into trending keywords, tags, and overall video performance, allowing you to make informed decisions about your content strategy. By leveraging vidIQ, you can identify high-performing keywords that resonate with your target audience, helping you craft titles and descriptions that attract more views. Another important aspect of channel settings is establishing upload defaults. This feature allows you to set default settings for your videos, including titles, descriptions, tags, and privacy settings. By creating upload defaults, you ensure consistency across your content, which not only saves time but also reinforces your brand identity. Consistent titles and descriptions help viewers understand what to expect from your channel, fostering loyalty and encouraging subscriptions. Moreover, having a standardized approach to your uploads can improve your channel's SEO, as it allows you to maintain a cohesive theme that aligns with your keywords. In summary, by selecting your country of residence, adding relevant keywords, utilizing tools like vidIQ for optimization, and setting upload defaults, you can significantly enhance your channel's visibility and performance, paving the way for growth and success on YouTube. To attract more viewers to your YouTube channel, it's essential to optimize your channel layout by adding various sections and features that enhance user engagement. One effective strategy is to include popular video sections that showcase your best performing content. By highlighting videos that have already resonated with your audience, you can leverage existing content to draw in new viewers. This not only helps in retaining the interest of returning subscribers, but also encourages first-time visitors to explore more of your work. Organizing these sections based on themes or categories can further enhance navigation, making it easier for viewers to find what they're looking for. Another valuable feature to consider is a channel trailer. A well-crafted channel trailer serves as an introduction to your content, providing new visitors with a quick overview of what they can expect from your channel. This short video should be engaging and informative, highlighting your unique style, the type of content you produce, and encouraging viewers to subscribe. A compelling trailer can significantly increase the likelihood of converting casual viewers into loyal subscribers, as it sets the tone for your channel and showcases your personality. Additionally, featuring other channels can play a crucial role in community building. By adding a featured channels section, you can promote collaborations or channels that align with your content and values. This not only fosters a sense of community among creators, but also encourages cross-promotion, allowing you to tap into each other's audiences. When viewers see that you support other creators, it enhances your credibility and can lead to increased engagement on your own channel. In summary, by adding popular video sections, creating an engaging channel trailer, and featuring other channels, you can significantly enhance your channel's appeal and attract more viewers. These strategies not only improve user experience but also foster a sense of community, ultimately contributing to your channel's growth and success. Filling out the basic information and channel description for your YouTube channel is a vital step in establishing your brand and connecting with your audience. To begin, you may want to change your channel name and handle to reflect your branding accurately. Navigate to the Customize Channel section in YouTube Studio, where you can easily edit your channel name and handle. Choose a name that is memorable, relevant to your content, and aligns with your overall brand identity. Your handle, which appears in your channel URL, should also be concise and easy to share, making it simpler for viewers to find you. Next, focus on crafting a compelling channel description. This is your opportunity to communicate what your channel is about and what viewers can expect from your content. To create an engaging description, consider using tools like ChatGPT. By inputting key details about your channel's focus, target audience, and unique selling points, ChatGPT can help generate a well-structured and captivating description. Aim to include relevant keywords that reflect your content, as this can improve your channel's discoverability in search results. In addition to your channel name and description, it's essential to add social media links and contact information for outreach. Including links to your other social media platforms allows viewers to connect with you beyond YouTube, fostering a sense of community and engagement. You can add these links in the About section of your channel. Furthermore, providing contact information, such as an email address for business inquiries, can open doors for collaborations and sponsorship opportunities. In summary, by changing your channel name and handle for effective branding, writing a compelling channel description with the help of ChatGPT, and adding social media links and contact information, you can create a professional and inviting presence on YouTube that attracts viewers and encourages engagement. Monetizing your YouTube channel can be a rewarding endeavor, but it requires meeting specific criteria to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To be eligible for monetization, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel within the past 12 months. This means that not only do you need to grow your subscriber base, but you also need to create engaging content that keeps viewers watching. Additionally, you must comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines, including adhering to community standards and copyright regulations. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program through your YouTube Studio. After submitting your application, YouTube will review your channel to ensure it aligns with their monetization policies. If approved, you can start earning money through ads, channel memberships, and super chat features during live streams. Security is another critical aspect of monetization. Enabling two-step verification on your Google account is essential for protecting your channel from unauthorized access. This added layer of security requires you to verify your identity through a secondary method, such as a text message or authentication app, whenever you log in. By implementing two-step verification, you safeguard your channel and its monetization potential from potential threats. Moreover, it's important to stay informed about monetization opportunities and changes in YouTube's policies. The platform frequently updates its guidelines and introduces new features that can enhance your earning potential. Following YouTube's official blog, joining creator communities, and participating in forums can help you stay updated on the latest trends and opportunities in monetization. In summary, to monetize your YouTube channel, focus on meeting the eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program, prioritize security through two-step verification, and remain informed about evolving monetization opportunities. By doing so, you can maximize your channel's potential for generating revenue while ensuring its safety and compliance. In this video, we covered essential steps for creating and optimizing your YouTube channel to set you up for success. First, we discussed the importance of establishing a Google account and how to create a new YouTube channel under that account. Once your channel is set up, we emphasize the significance of personalizing it with images and branding, including uploading a profile picture and banner that reflect your unique style. Next, we explored the various settings that enhance your channel's visibility and performance, such as selecting your country of residence, adding relevant keywords, and utilizing tools like vidIQ for keyword optimization. We also highlighted the importance of filling out your channel's basic information and crafting a compelling channel description to attract viewers. Additionally, we outlined the requirements for monetizing your channel through the YouTube Partner Program, including the need for at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. We stressed the importance of enabling two-step verification for security and encouraged viewers to stay informed about monetization opportunities. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more valuable content for aspiring creators like you. Lastly, don't forget to explore our related content for further learning. We have a wealth of resources available that dive deeper into topics such as video creation, audience engagement, and advanced monetization strategies. By continuing to educate yourself, you can enhance your skills and grow your YouTube channel effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.